Hi, now we'll see how to do fssai registration for a restaurant ourselves. So nowadays for a restaurant to sell online food, they require fssai registration. Fssai registration is mandatory for the same. So we'll just see how to do the same. So most of the sites once you search for the fssai registration, which is coming on the top are of brokers. And these brokers will be charging a huge amount for the same. So let's go to the government site and the government site it will charge just 100 rupees for the same. So this is the site fssai.govern.in. So in this site they have clearly mentioned a flow diagram in which they clearly mention the process of this application. So once you fill the online application and if you pay the amount for the same, there will be a unique reference number will be generated, and within 7 days they'll be giving the certificate, or if they are rejecting the same they'll be giving the explanation for the same. And for restaurant businesses, mostly it will take 4 days for delivering the certificate. Around 2 to 4 days, we'll get the certificate. And if it's a big business, they'll order for inspection, and the inspection will be done within 30 days. And if you're eligible for the certificate, you'll get the certificate. Otherwise, they'll be ordering to comply with the norms of or the standards of food design. Then they have given a link for doing the registration. So in this link, if you are opening, there is an option to apply now. Either you can proceed by apply now, then there is an option like you can sign up, or you can directly sign up from here. And it's always better to sign up in this site for future references. So if you are doing guest login, and for future again and again you have to check for the OTP and everything. So if you're signing up, it will be very easier. So I have already signed up, so I'll be logging on here. The captcha is difficult to read, so I'm changing. So once you sign up and once you logged in, you can go for license registration, apply for license registration. There's a declaration. You have to accept the declaration. Then you can select a state. Now here I'll select Karnataka. So if you're having your business in more than one state, you have to give to yes. Otherwise, you can give no. Then for restaurant business will come under other businesses. So the other businesses, there's a hotel. Below the hotel, there comes the restaurant. And if your turnover is less than 12 lakhs, you can select this. And if your turnover is more than 20 lakhs, you can select this. Then the GST and everything is required. If you're giving below 12 lakhs, you have to give a declaration for the same. You proceed. Then you can click to apply. Then you can give the restaurant name. Then if it's an individual, you can give individual. If it's a partner or partnership, you can give the same. And as we have already selected the restaurant previously, the kind of business we automatically selected over here. You can give the address, fill the address. Then you can go for the district. Then you can select which subdivision you can select for the same. Then you can select the village or pin code. You have to give the pin code. Village you can select. Then if the address for correspondence is the same, you can give S. Then you can fill the mobile number, email ID, then name of the food category. So it's like for restaurants, it will be mostly prepared foods. So you can give prepared food, save and add. Then you have to upload one of your photo, who is running the restaurant or who is the owner of the restaurant. So to select the photo, then upload the same. Then you have to select which type of ID card you are giving, PAN card. Then you can select the same, upload it. So once you have uploaded, you have an option to view the same. If you click here, you will be able to view the same. Then there is a declaration. You have to download the declaration, then sign the declaration, then again scan and upload the same here. So I have already done that. So I'm doing the declaration. Save, click save and add. Then the declaration also will be saved. Then the source of water. Whatever your source is, public or private, you have to select them. Or if it's another, you get to select that. then whether any electric power is used for manufacturing the food items. And mostly restaurants will not be using the same, so we can give no, then save and next. Then you can download the same form which you have filled, which is not a form A. You can see the same. You can take a printout of the same form. Then there is a option to sign over here. There's a declaration. You have to do the signature and all. Then again scan it, upload the same over here. I have already scanned this, so scan form A. So I'm uploading the same. Then you can give submit. Then there is an option for treasury challan as well as payment wise syndicate challan. So if you're selecting treasury challan, for every state there will be treasury challan. There will be different sites where we can pay online this treasury challan amount. So you can select if you are from Karnataka, you can select Karnataka's treasury challan site. Then you can do the payment. Then you will get this information from that. You can just fill in over here. Then you can submit. For each and every state, it will be different treasury sites. So the other option is like syndicate bank. For that, if you give submit, a challan will be generated. You have to take the challan and go to the syndicate bank, then pay the same. This will be the challan which is generated. You can take this challan and go to the bank. You can pay for the same. Then your application will be processed within 7 days. So in some states there will be another option. There will be different bank options. There will be wallet options, and it depends upon the state to state. It depends. For filling, it will be the same process. The last step of payment will be different for each and every state. Thank you.